bit more. Replacement of pure milk by water. Okay. Now we are taking two extreme case. If we are mixing one mixture either by pure milk or water, or replacing by pure milk or pure water, we have seen now. Now एक तरफ पानी, एक तरफ दूध. Now what we are doing? Pure milk we are replacing by water. Means 100% concentration. What can be the best concentration? We are replacing with the worst concentration or lowest concentration, that is called water, by 0%. Okay. Then what will happen? If P volume of pure liquid, and here in the case of milk, given, if Q volume you are replacing by water, then concentration will change. Earlier it was 100%, that is sure, because it was pure milk. Now net concentration will become P minus Q by P into 100%. Now just suppose same operation has done n times, repetitive in nature. What will do? Nothing else. This is just a percentage calculation, consecutive percentage calculation, successive percentage calculation. Net concentration after n operation, if you are doing, every time you are doing, Q volume you are taking out and you are replacing by water. Q volume you are taking out, you are replacing by water. Q volume you are taking out, you are replacing by water. Then P minus Q by P to the power n into 100%. You can write K into 100, where K is P minus Q by P to the power n. Volume of pure liquid in that mixture after doing the n operation, it will equal to K into P. K just we have taken here, P minus Q by